Hey everybody, welcome back to Rowe Country. Welcome if you're new. Today we're taking a free printable and making this cute Christmas countdown. Stay tuned. Okay everybody, so this DIY starts with one of my favorite things, a find at Hobby Lobby on clearance 90%. So I paid 89 cents for this little decor piece that we're going to make over. I just took out the thumbtacks and took off the metal part, and I used acetone to remove the wording that the little decor piece had on it from Hobby Lobby. Then I found this free printable and free SVG on a website called The Latest Find, and I was so excited because this meant that I didn't have to do any designing on this at all, and I will have that link in the description box below. Guys, you don't need a Cricut to do this, but this is a Cricut project for me, and all I did was brought this free design into my design space, manipulated it just a little bit so that I could get the result that I wanted. This is not a Cricut tutorial today. This is just me showing you really how easy it is to take Cricut vinyl and create something that will be something that your family can use year after year. Again, this is one of these projects that brings two things together that I love so much. That is cheap decor and something that makes my grandson smile. And when I asked him if he wanted a Christmas countdown this year, he said absolutely. So this is what I came up with. Now remember guys, that free printable is going to allow you to use like a paint marker to make one of these for yourself if you don't have a Cricut. I'm using 3 colors of Cricut vinyl, actually 4. I'm sorry, I can't count. Everything, the main part of this is in a black removable Cricut vinyl. Then I used a white removable, also a hunter green removable, and then a gloss red. And this is all Cricut brand vinyl, and I really love how it all comes together. I used the white and the green and the red for the light bulbs on that little piece underneath where it says countdown, and I put 25 in red because of course that is the day that Christmas comes, and I just thought it would really stand out really cute on this. And I'm using my favorite Duck brand clear shelf liner to transfer this from the backing paper and onto this metal piece. Now guys, Dollar Tree recently came out with metal pieces very similar to this. That would be a great thing to use as a Christmas countdown if you're looking to use something that would be magnetic like we're doing in today's project. So I just used my Cricut tool to transfer the vinyl onto that galvanized piece, and I'm slowly, even though this is actually sped up for you, I am slowly removing this and rolling it off of the piece. It really was that easy. Now, because there is a shortage of chalk paint in my area, I have been using this jet black matte apple barrel paint for 50 cents per bottle, and guys, I'm loving it. I love the matte black finish on this. And so I decided to use it on the frame and also on the little thumbtacks that came off of this piece. Those 4 thumbtacks and a little bit of hot glue is what was keeping that metal piece attached to this frame. So I am painting this frame all the way around, front, back, inside, and out on this. And like I said, this black finish on this frame after it's painted, it looks so pretty. Guys, I really recommend the matte finish jet black paint from Apple Barrel if you can find it. Now I'm also taking one of these little magnetic buttons, sorry guys, and one little green bell from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just attaching it to that with a little bit of hot glue. That is going to be our little countdown piece. I recommend, of course, if you're going to make this for a child that is, a little bit younger, you use something larger. But my grandchildren aren't that small anymore, and so we felt like that would be a good size piece to use on our countdown. I'm taking the thumbtacks and attaching this back to the frame exactly like it had been before I removed everything. And guys, this is what this is turning out to look like. I don't really use my Cricut a lot. This is one of the few projects that I've been using multiple colors of vinyl on, and I gotta say, guys, I'm patting myself on the back. This looks like something that my grandchildren's mom might have picked up at a craft show by someone who's got way more experience than I have putting together something like this. And look how adorable this is up close, guys. Oh my gosh, it's just so cute. So guys, let me know in the comments down below what you think. Are you maybe gonna get a Christmas Cricut this year? I hope that you do, and I hope that you give this a try. This has been part of my 25 days of Christmas here in Rowe Country. There's a free printable, make sure you get that, and make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Go ahead and watch another video while you're here. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye!